Are you looking for the best belt sanders in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best belt sanders, the 5th that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability, and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below, and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The 5th product on our list is the Makita 94034X24 belt sander. This 4-inch belt sander is more for people with woodwork businesses or professional contractors rather than newbies because of its hefty price tag. If you need a belt sander that you can rely on for everyday usage, this belt sander would be it. The Makita 9403 removes material from the sanding surface like nobody's business, thanks to its 11-amp motor that packs a lot of power. Coupled with its electronic speed control, you can create consistent results no matter what the load is. Although it is a more powerful unit, it does not sound like one. It only has 84 dB of noise level, which makes it one of the quietest around. You will be hard-pressed to find a belt sander quieter than this one. This 3x18 belt sander also has a sturdy construction that slows down wear and tear. The interesting labyrinth construction prevents debris from getting in the bearings and motors of the unit, which will help protect it from damage and contamination. The Makita 9403 is a well-designed belt sander. Aside from the usual ergonomic functions, it also has a design that allows you to sand up to the edges and the wall. This allows you to sand a bigger surface area. It is quite efficient. Its 11-amp motor gets the job done but without eating up so much on electricity and power. Also, since it removes materials fast from a variety of surfaces, you can accomplish your tasks much faster, thereby allowing you to get more energy savings. No debris will get in the motor and inside your belt sander because of its labyrinth construction. It virtually prevents debris from penetrating inside the machine. It makes sanding work easier with its large front grip. It does not irritate the ears with its noise as well, since it only produces a comfortable 84 dB noise level while you're sanding. Even if you use it all day, you will not get tired using and hearing it. The Makita 9403 comes with a 1-year warranty and a 30-day satisfaction guarantee. The 360-degree swiveling function for the dust bag is also a nifty feature. It allows you to control where you want it to go. Up next in the 4th place is the SKIL 7510-01 120-volt 3-inch x 18-inch belt sander. Sand any surface with this reliable and versatile belt sander that has 6.0 A of power. We recommend this for novice users because it has a pressure control indicator that tells you when you are applying the right pressure on the specific surface. The auto alignment feature also makes it easier to sand because it keeps the belt in place. Never have to worry about inhaling fine dust from wood again. This belt sander has a microfiltration system that sucks more dust particles as you're sanding your project. It also helps in keeping your work area clean and free from debris. It is compatible with vacuum hoses of 1114. Your purchase includes a sanding belt, a dust collection canister, and a vacuum adapter. This belt sander has a good amount of power that can get even bigger sanding jobs done. It creates consistent results on various surfaces. Even novice users will find the ease of use amazing because of its auto-tracking belt alignment system and pressure control technology. Replacing the lever belt is even a cinch, as you only need to pull a single lever. It stands right up to the edge, so you can reach more surface area and get the best results for all your projects. It is inexpensive, which is why it is great for those who might only need to use their sander occasionally. This unit has 8.2 pounds of weight. It is not very heavy, so you can use it with ease. The 3rd product on our list is the WIN 6502T 4.3 amp 4x 36-in belt and 6-in disc sander. This sanding machine does the job of 2 sanders, both a disc and a belt sander. It effectively removes material from the surface of the wood and ensures a smooth and splinter-free surface. It has a half HP 4.3 amp motor that should be powerful enough to do any kind of project. The belt speed is 1,900 feet per minute and the disc speed is at 3,600 revolutions per minute. The bottom of this belt sander is made from a heavy-duty cast iron material. It is stable and does not wobble. The adjustable belt function allows you to adjust it to a horizontal or vertical position or even in between, whatever your needs and preferences are. And with its efficient dust collection system, simply connect your dust collector and it will effectively eliminate dust and debris away. It has a solid build. The cast iron base is a good touch because it makes way for more sturdy usage. It also eliminates vibrations. Moreover, because it is made from cast iron, it is resistant to corrosion. It gets the job done each time. There are no extra materials left on the surface once this belt sander passes through. Since you can adjust the angle and position of the belt, you can also get the results you want better. The belt slot is spacious. It makes changing the belt easy and effortless. It is quite a versatile unit. It comes with a 6-inch side disc as well, so you can sand whatever it is you want to sand. The cast aluminum work table also allows users to work with any material they want. This can be used for an assortment of materials such as steel, hardwood, and metal. This unit is backed by a 2-year warranty. You can get a lot of peace of mind if you use this belt sander. It is not that heavy that transporting or moving it is a chore. Second on our list is the Makita 99033X21 belt sander. If you are looking for the best belt sander that delivers great power and speed, you should consider the Makita 9903 variable speed belt sander. This is a highly powerful belt sander with considerable ease of use. The Makita 9903 model is great for working with wood, and it is one tool that general contractors, floor installers, woodworkers, and furniture makers should have in their toolbox. This tool comes with an impressive 8.8 amp motor that delivers great speed. Unlike the previous Makita belt sander on our list, this belt sander offers a variable speed control. The variable speed of this machine ranges from 690 to 440 feet per minute. This allows you to match the speed of the tool to the application. This belt sander delivers great results, as it removes material accurately and quickly. The Makita 9903 variable speed belt sander also comes with an automatic tracking belt feature that steadies the belt without any adjustment. You can use this tool to sand flush to the wall with the side and nose of the sander, thanks to its design. It is also a lot less noisy than most belt sanders on the market, as the noise rating is only 85 dB. This belt sander is also very comfortable to operate, thanks to its large, ergonomic front grip. The low-profile design of the machine also provides a better balance to keep your workspace free from dust and debris. This sander comes with an effective dust collection system and a cloth dust bag. This is a corded belt sander and the length of the power cord is 16.4 feet. The long cord allows for a lot of maneuverability. You can also use this sander to sand metal to remove rust and paint. It weighs only 9.5 pounds, making it a pretty light tool to work with. Included in this package is 180 grit sanding belt and it comes with a 1-year warranty. Finally, the top product on our list is the BLACKDECKER DS321 belt sander. Next up is the BLACKDECKER DS321 belt sander. This is another fascinating sander that comes with several great features. This is a 3 by 23 inches belt sander, and it can handle a variety of sanding jobs on different surfaces. With the size of this model, you can reach even the most awkward and inaccessible corners. The compact and lightweight nature of this belt sander also makes it very easy to operate, even when sanding vertical surfaces. Talking about the weight, this power tool weighs only 8.2 pounds. When it comes to performance, this machine comes with a powerful 7-amp motor that can take on most projects. It comes with a retractable, 3-position handle, and this gives you more control over the tool. This BLACKDECKER sander also reduces downtime, as it allows you to easily and quickly change your paper without a belt release level and adjustment knob. This also helps to keep the belt in the perfect position always. This sander also comes with a dust extraction system that is very effective. This helps to keep your workspace clean and dust-free. It also helps to increase visibility while working. The package of this product includes one Dachshund 321 sander, one medium grit sanding belt, and one dust bag. It comes with a 2-year warranty and it is designed to serve you for years. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.